Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Paint not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If Paint is not functioning correctly on your Windows 11 system, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. Begin by searching for Paint in the Windows search bar. Once it appears in the search results, locate the downward pointing arrow to its right and click on it. From the options that appear, select Run as Administrator. This will launch Paint with administrative privileges. If this resolves the issue, great. If not, proceed to the next method. Again, search for Paint in the Windows search bar. Click on the downward pointing arrow next to it in the search results. This time, choose App Settings. Allow the settings page to load. Scroll down the page until you find the option to terminate. Click on Terminate to stop the Paint application. Following that, select the Repair option. Wait patiently until you see a checkmark indicator, signifying that the repair process is complete. If repairing Paint does not fix the problem, you can try resetting it. Click on the Reset button, and then confirm by clicking on Reset once more. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.